Oh, 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 oh. Oh, 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 oh. You blood freeze. Oh, 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 oh. Ratatata circus. Hello everyone, my name is Angel and welcome back to Bloons Market City. We have improvised, well not improvised, we have evolved very lovely indeed. So far, right before the video, I decided to make a balloon research lab and I already made some of the fast balloons for it so far. The balloon sprint track, which is very impressive. I mean, especially the area that requires, because usually it take up like one square, but this is like quite a unique shape. It's like 2 by 1, unlike the plane. However, this one was like 1 by 2. In case you ever know like how what's the difference, because the little X and Y technique. X is like horizontal, Y is the vertical. The X or the horizontal always go first. So when I say 1 by 2, meant 1 by 1, 2. I'm not saying I'm not saying it out of any insults, whatever, but like I can understand that some people could get confused by it. Also, I'll move around a few things, like this one, for example. Yeah, and this one as well. I was planning to put the little Nuki all the way up here, but it's still gonna take a while. But like, well, it's not just gonna take a while. It's just thinking. I was just thinking of like the windmills. You know, like what if it get? I was planning to put it down here first, but then like what if it reaches all the way up down there, but I still have more? Then I'm gonna like keep going up and up and up, or the sideways. I don't know. I'm still planning to put the wizard balloons over there. I still got the balloon chippers, the helicopter for the ice monkeys. It's still a long way to go, like all the way up here. You guys see it? Still such a long way. It's pretty hard. It's gonna be pretty hard to reach all the way up there. And for this one, however, this is where I'm gonna put the balloon research lab, all the way across to here. Like that's like the line, you know, like anything above it, it will not be allowed. Or maybe. I don't know. I don't remember the limit for the tag shooters, but I just like keep moving around at probably like at the end, not the end of the game, but like the end of the level, cause if I remember correctly, the maximum level is like 40. You know, it's not like 99, it's not 100, but just 40. That's like the maximum level. Now let's see. What are we going to do today? We already did the wall trees. We already did the sticky sap glue thingy. And I think we did this one. Did we? Oh no, I don't think we did, because I love this spot here for a reason. Is it? Yeah, I think I left it there. But let's see. I could do that, or I could do this. The Submarine Alliance. I'm still. Oh my gosh. The last time I came there, you literally saw what happened. But since we leveled up, maybe we could give it a try. Maybe. It's still pretty hardcore, so. Shall we do it? Yeah, I think we should do it. Let's do it. Let's go for it. Yeah. Yeah. As the great Tony Stark will say, sometimes you gotta run before you can even walk. Even freaking walk. I don't know why I said it like that. Let's see. Try to remember like what are their paths. Okay. It's a bit loud, so sorry. I'm not sure if you heard me before the whole time, but like I am so sorry. Oh well, but let's just do this. We're gonna get the the bomb past the cannon ship first, because they help take out the lead balloons. Dang it. Dang it. And then pretty soon I'm gonna go for the yeah. The battleship. Yeah, that's what it's called. Dang it. Why didn't you do anything? They are useless. Aha! Okay, okay. Do it. Ah! That's hard. Hard. Now I'm gonna go for the battleship. Okay, where is this called? Um, I like, hey, how you guys doing? That's good. Let's see, we're almost there. I'm never good at, oh, the destroyer. Ooh! Ooh! Dang it. Sorry, that just stopped me, but like, freak out a bit. But yeah, I was never good at talking, just like constantly. I'm not Stampy Cat, okay? I'm not Stampy Longnose, or yeah, Stampy Longnose. And in case you haven't know who he is, just watch some of his video. He loves doing Minecraft. I love doing it too, but just I just don't want to make some of the videos where it's just me playing it. I mean, I have my own I got my Xbox One. I got my I got my own world, which I love to play, like, you know, at my free time or like at night, right before bedtime. Ooh. But ooh, one was there. But continuously talking and talking and talk. Just by continuously talking, I cannot do, because eventually I'm gonna run out of things and be like, oh, what am I talking about? I have no idea. Just, I'm not good at conversations. So, in case there's any awkward silence you might be feeling, you have to forgive me. And like I said, Stampy Long Nose is a Minecraft YouTuber who loves to edit, which you could probably see some of the magic going on inside of those videos. He loves building the his world called Stampy's Lovely World, and he's a really nice guy. He's a really nice guy, and I was just love to be in this love garden one day, which is basically like the which is basically a shout out. But you just don't go in the comments and like, hey, can you do a little shout out for me, or hey, can you put me in your love garden or something? No, you have pretty much like to earn, like, work for it. Either make a funny comment, or make a little project and show it to them, or show it to him, not them, just him. Oh my god, look at that face. I'm sorry, just like this one. Look at this little bubble. Like, look at this little avatar for the monkey sub. Dang. Okay, we're almost there. We're almost there. Ooh, Ooh, cost us 20 balloons so far, but we're almost there. Alright. So I really admire the guy. He was the one that inspired me to want. He's the one the wants pretty much how do I say, he inspired me to try and make a YouTube videos specifically on Minecraft. Hold on, watch this, watch this. Look at this monkey sub and look at the ZOMG. Here we go. Oh, boom! Yeah, we did it. Did you see the way that ZOMG popped? It just like just just disappeared out of existence. Like it's not even there anymore. Like it's our imagination. That's how good it was. It is. Yeah. But since we captured the Submarine Alliance tile, we can finally get some submarines. Unsink the sub quest complete. The captain of the fleet has agreed to join the good fight. Now we'll be unstoppable by land and sea. This battle's in the bag. Alright. Dive and conquer. The submarine burst is ready for full-scale production. Those balloons won't be expected to surface into battle right under their feet. Wherever they get around on. Alright, build a submarine burst, build a submarine's weapons research, and use a monkey sub in the game. Alright. Alright. Oh. Hey, Happy New Year. Thank you. You're gonna get rid of some of the little icebergs? The little pesky icebergs? Yeah. Get rid of them all. I don't want them anymore. Let them melt if I have to. I don't care. I'll just put them somewhere else. Okay. Hey. Oh. I'm just gonna show it. Here, let me try to bring it back. Boom. Now, let's see. Doot, doot. Wait. Doot. Boop. Oh, that's adorable. So yeah, there's a little ice cap. That's what those little ice caps are. The little Christmas decoration stuff. So, but yeah, that seems legit. That seems legitness. I just realized something. Where am I gonna put the stuffs, the little special abilities that was on land? What? But no, it requires land. Oh my gosh. Okay. Realized a little mistake. Haven't thought through, so try to do a little. No, let's do one deck. Let's see. Okay. Let's see. I'm going to like move these two. Oh, I just put them here for now. All right. Oh boy. No. Right over here. All right. Let's see. Where are you? All right. Submarine bus. Go to lake or river terrain. Them right here. 13. Oh my gosh. Tall. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9, 10, 11, 12, and 13. Holy crap, that's exactly oh my god. Oh no, we're gonna have to wait for like a half an hour or something. I don't want you guys to wait half an hour. Look ahead. Oh my gosh. That's a lot. Okay, I'm just gonna speed this up by using some of the balloons. Alright, look at that. Look, this is beautiful. Oh boy. Dang it, Obamacare. Go away. I believe there. Dang it, Wish. That's a whole different story. I just ordered something on something else, but yeah. Ah, I like the idea. Oh my. I can't stand it. Every time I look at it, I can just imagine like how many messages I'm gonna get when it's all ready. But yeah, that'll just be it for now. Ah, oh man. Ah, yeah, it's fun. It's fun doing it. Maybe in the next video I could like show you what this is. This one is a mope graveyard. Oh yeah. With only 3 rounds. With only 3 rounds, we're gonna take out a whole bunch of mopes, BFBs, and ZOMJ. With only 3 grand to start. Yeah, sounds intense. I know, but until then, well, until then, I'm trying to remember it. I'm trying to remember it. So yeah, until then, thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure to snuggle. No. If you like this video, do as what an Irish YouTuber would do. Punch that like button in the face like a boss. And if you really like it, don't forget to subscribe the button. No. Snuggle that subscribe. Snuggle it real hard until you break it in pieces and then give those pieces to your friends. Speaking of which, do not forget to share. But if you don't want to, you don't have to. Because that's what the channel is all about. The choices that we make. That's the part that I will remember. That's the part I always remember. Because it is true, you know, like, I just don't want to make it out going like a scam. That's like a whole new thing to explain in the next video. Probably like things on my mind or something like that. But as always, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye. Let's see. Where's the little clown? Where's the little sucker? Where is it? Oh well, just a little science monkey will have to do. But as always, I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye bye!